So the other day I was trying to use my power outlet here on my Honda Accord. It's 2013 Honda Accord, and I shorted something out and blew the fuse for the power outlet on my road trip. Just getting around to, it's about a week later, trying to figure out where the fuse for this is, and it's under the dash. Right here it says where all the fuses are located, and you just tilt up and they're all right in here. So the one that I'm looking for is the accessory power outlet, which is right here, the accessory power socket, and it's a 20 amp fuse. Well, I'm looking up here, there's no fuse puller, there's no spare fuses here. And then I go and do some more research, and lo and behold, they put this stupid fuse puller and spare fuses under the hood. And this other, I'm on the driver's side of the vehicle, by the firewall. There's more fuses located in here. And you pull this cover off, and there's your spare fuses and the fuse puller. So I need the 20 amp fuse and the puller. So I'm just going to go pull it here. And there's the 20 amp fuse. And then I got to pull the fuse out from the and I'm going to stick the new fuse in. Oh, what a pain in the ass this thing is. I'm just making sure it's seated in there. And hopefully everything works good. I'm going to go test it out. Okay, to test it out, I just going to plug my radar detector in there. And hopefully it comes up. And we have success. So now I need to go and find some of these, I think they're LP, so ATM-LP fuses. I'm not 100% sure. But need to find a replacement fuse to go buy and put it back in the spare box. Got to put this fuse puller back into the cover that's underneath the hood. Odd place for it. They should have spare fuses next to each fuse box with a little, what is this, a 3-cent piece of plastic puller. Anyways, I hope this video helps you locate the fuse for your power outlet in your dash on your 2013 Honda Accord, and thanks for watching.